Good morning, Chairman. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali Al-kharaz, PhD from University of Southern Queensland, Australia, Senior Lecturer at Middle Technical University in Iraq. I would talk about my paper. The title of my paper, Discriminating between Genders using Hand Images of Iraqi Adults. One of the user-friendly human biometric identification system is the hand. Measuring the shape hand is useful of ergonomics and the design of the equipment used to support people with disability and remote arthritis who suffer functional loss in their hand and finger. Many studies have compared hand differences between genders. EBTU and others investigated the hand dimension of Nigerian students with reference to sex. The Glogman Hand Index was used to classify the gender of students at Basket University in Turkey. However, there are a few reliable studies available to discriminate between the genders of Iraqi adults. Therefore, the aim of the study was to identify gender differences in the hand representing of healthy Iraqi participants and compare them with population in other countries. Let me now talk about method. 50 healthy adults, 25 males and 25 females with no deformity and disability in their hand participated voluntarily in this study. Hand measurement. In this study, hand length was measured as a straight distance between the distal crease of the wrist joint and the most interior projection point, the middle finger. Hand breadth was measured as a straight distance from the most laterally placed point on the hand of the second metatarsal to the most medially placed joint located on the hand of the fifth metatarsal. Hand index equal hand breadth over hand length multiple 100. The hand index shows the change in the value when compared with the level of that value. The results obtained were considered based on the Krugman hand indicated in 5 classes. HDCH up to 40.9, DCH 41 to 43.9, MCH 44 to 46.9, PCH 47 to 48.9, HPCH 50 to up, where HDCH hand have very long finger with narrow, smaller palm. DCH hand shape indicates long finger and narrow, small palm. MCH hand have long finger and short, small palm. PCH hand have a short finger with a long, large palm. And finally, BCH hand have short finger with broader, large palm respectively. Let's now talk about experimental procedure. The researcher asked the subject to wash and dry their hands. The right hand of each subject was extended with the palm in supine position. A document cover canon was used to create images. All the 50 subjects were asked to place their hand in a standardized position to provide uniform scanning. To obtain the most accurate approximation of handprint, The scanned images were edited using the Paint 3D software. This involved image conversion to black, white, and rotation, then saving the images in 24 bitmap format. To evaluate the accuracy of each calibration procedure, the measured calibrated length of the scale bar length of 48.866 mm and a precision of 0.05 mm was utilized to evaluate the accuracy of the derived hand dimension coordinates. The resulting images were measured using clonic image measurement software. Figure 2 shows the scale bar and hand length and hand breadth using clonic software. Now I talk about the result and discussion. A test of normality of distribution showed that the length of a breadth dimension matched normality distributed population. The mean and standard deviation of length, breadth, and index of the male and female were measured. Table 2 shows the gender differences between hand length and hand breadth and hand index. Males have 47.2, female 40.5, and the differences between them 6.7. The hand index revealed significant gender differences, and these were classified according to the Krugman index. For males, the right hand was classified as PCH according to Krugman hand index. For female, the right hand was classified as HDCH according to Krugman hand index. Table 3 shows the independent sample test result between genders. The mean difference is 6.65. In this study, the length and breadth of the right hand of 50 Iraqi adults were measured. Males typically have larger hand than females because their hand is associated with genetic and environment factors crossing population. The male group of Iraqi has a Krugman hand PCH, which means Iraqi males have a short finger with a long, large palm, whilst Iraqi female have a Krugman hand HDCH, which means they have very long fingers with narrow, smaller palm. The differences in hand index between Iraqi male and female is 6.7. In addition, when compare the hand index value of Iraqis with other populations like Jordan, India, Turkey, and Nigeria, the hand index value for Iraqi female 47.2 is almost the same of a value of Turkish males, and the hand index value of Iraqi women 40.5 is close to the value of Indian females 41.65. Conclusions: Iraqi female have short finger with a long, large palm, whilst Iraqi female have very long finger with narrow, smaller palm. This study has succeeded in establishing standard value of hand dimension for Iraqi adults. In the future, could take more dimension to show some other features that many distinguish group from others, as well as between males and females. This is some of the reference used in my paper. Thank you for listening. If any question I am ready to answer. Thank you.